What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can transfer USDT from Binance to Binance. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, we will open up our Binance. Now, going to the Binance.com will obviously take us to the Binance website. Here, you just have to log into your account. After logging into your account, what you have to do is, first of all, if you're receiving it, you just have to go to deposit, click on deposit crypto. Once you do that, you will be able to see your crypto chain here. Just search for USDT and you will be able to find the USDT, and then you just have to select the network and you will be able to get your recipient address. And once you have the recipient address, just get it. If you're sending it to someone else, just tell the next person to send you your his recipient address. Once he does that, you just have to come back and then simply here click on your profile and then click on assets. Now, clicking on assets will take you to your assets. In my case, I do not have any assets, but in your case, you will have some. You just have to click on transfer, select the assets you want to transfer. You just have to select USDT amount you want to transfer, enter the recipient address. There you go. That's how you were able to transfer USDT from Binance to Binance without any problem. Hope you guys find this video helpful.